So here I have an XSories action camera stick, or for a camera stick here. It's really handy. You can extend and bring it back in. You can reposition the head. It's really great. I thought it was really handy. I've used it for 2 snowboarding trips, and now what I've found is that actually the head rotates, and when you hold it with the camera it just drops, and it's actually really useless. So I'm looking for a way to secure this head so it doesn't move anymore. And actually, if you look, it's just been squashed here to kind of compress it and hold it on the shaft. So if you grab it by the head, if you extend it and grab it by the head and turn anti-clockwise or left and pull, actually it comes straight off. And then what you realise is it's just a compression fit, which isn't all that handy actually when you're on a mountain and the extremes of temperatures, I get it round, extremes of temperatures are changing the sizes of this tube and this, and then no wonder it became loose and started twizzling around. So I am going to attempt to drill through this and put a hole through it, match the hole on here and drill through this side, and then actually I'll have a pin or a bolt that goes through and secures. So let's have a go. So I have picked this bolt and nut. I think it's about an M6. The reason I picked it is because it's got a nylocker nut, so actually it will lock it and not slide off. I did find a smaller one which I think is about an M5, sorry, but again it's got no nylocker, so I'm going to go slightly bigger and probably cut down the bolt's head afterwards. So how much spare am I going to have? Yeah, I'm going to have a little spare on that, so I can chop it off, but that's not a problem. So first I'm going to drill this, then put the head back in and punch it so I get the right right positioning really. Right. So I thought I would show you the finished article, and here we go. As you can see, if I can get to focus on it, I've drilled through the stick, put the nut and bolt on, whereas actually I could do with trimming this here to make it kind of flush and in line and not have this bit sticking out. I don't want this bit sticking out really in luggage or when I'm taking it away with me. But actually now the head is really secure and it will turn really well and lock really well, and there's no more twizzling head. So actually it's quite usable. And again, it's just about cutting that off so it fits and it works. My advice would be really to drill the head first and really make sure you're going through straight and aligned, and once you've done the head, try and drill the rest, or even, thinking about it, drilling the first half of the pipe here, so going through the first skin, putting this back in, then through the head, and then the output on the other side of the tube. And the reason I say that is because I foolishly drilled all the way through this, then drilled all the way through the head, and I couldn't get the 2 holes to match up, so I had to go a size bigger on the drill bit, which is why you can see the holes slightly there. But if you go through the first bit of the tube, you'll be able to see the head, and then you can drill through the rest of the head and the other side of the tube and keep it all in line. So that's what I would do. Again, I'd advise a nylocker. I think this is an M6. It's a bolt I just found in the garage, and for what was a £30 stick, really it needed to work. And this will keep it going and save me having to buy another one. So hope the video was useful. Leave a comment. Again, I've tried not to have a jerky video this time, so I've got a tripod which has helped. But thanks for watching.